ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It is Elise here. We are in Emma's car. It is currently 9:22. She woke me up at 9.
You were supposed to wake up at 8.
Okay, I was supposed to wake up at 8, but then I slept in. It's been a long week. And we are heading to go pick up Molly, and we are going to the beach for the day. This was a very last minute thing, and I just thought this was a good opportunity to vlog and take you around. So, I'll see you soon. So Molly over here doesn't like the beach.
Okay, that's not true. I don't like the Oregon coast because it's always cold, it's always windy, and I don't understand the point of coming to the beach when it's cold.
To be cozy.
No, okay, but you can be cozy at home. Like, I don't understand it. It just doesn't make sense to me. That's my point.
Guys, there's a great place. Let's be happy. We're here. You're so cute.
Oh my goodness, you're such a beautiful dog.
Hello.
Oh, you're so
hello.
cute.
Bye bye. Yes, Emma plays her music so freaking loud.
You play your music really quiet. I can never hear the music in your car. I bop.
That's bopping. Okay. Okay, guy, go off. Go off, sis. No, I'm trying not to like blow out my eardrums when I'm older.
Oh, I'm
Trying to be cautious here. Oh, guys, it's such a nice day. It's really, I have so much hair in my mouth. It's really not that cold. They're babies. Molly, what did you get?
I got earrings because I don't have any right now. And then I got 3 pins for my backpack.
Cute. Love that.
Yeah.
Super cute.
Vibe.
We are at the aquarium. Emma, how do you feel? Excited. Hello, fishies. What is this, Emma?
It's a tracing thing.
Oh, yeah.
They don't like what you're doing.
I've never done this before.
Look at this. Elise is literally doing this wrong.
I've never done this before.
You're wrong. You're wrong. I'm telling you you're wrong and you're not correcting it and it's bugging me.
I'm not gonna correct it at this point.
Guys, I'll look at that. I'll show you guys.
Molly's doing a harbor seal. It's really cute.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, he's so cute. I did just like a little sea lion dude, and it says Seaside Aquarium on it. It says celebrating more than 60 years of fun. He's a cute little dude. And Elise is just
doing it wrong.
Just wrong.
Give all of your viewers anxiety because that's not right.
Sorry, guys.
So we're at an aquarium.
Let's go to that one because there's one over there.
Let's go look at things.
Can I have it? Okay.
No, I'm vlogging.
We just feel really risky.
Oh, what are you gonna touch?
I don't know, I don't like the crabs.
Oh my gosh, look at the crabs. Touch the starfish.
Guys, I used to have a hermit crab.
Yeah.
The only problem comes when people want to use plankton or glass shells.
Oh yeah.
Those can be a problem. Otherwise, it's fairly easy to keep them healthy.
Hi, little guy.
Look at the octopus.
Octopus? Octopus. Hello. Starfish are so weird.
They really are.
Like, they're so weird. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Yep, I know that.
You're so smart.
He's smarter than you. At least he's
I know.
only in first. There we go. Look at you. Good for her. Hi, wolf eel.
Hello.
Looks like a snake.
This is a little expensive for this experience.
Yeah.
But it's kind of cool. You got, oh my god, how cool. Look, there's a crab. How insane.
That's what I had for lunch.
Look at, look
Me
at,
too.
look at, look at. You have to make this entertaining. Look, they're just on top of each other.
Oh, I thought that was a mini octopus. To give them voices.
Oh my gosh. Hello, my name is Hermit. I'm trying to get into view. Take this. Oh my god. I need to escape the place. Oh. You got this. You're doing so well.
He's taking a nap.
Keep up the good work. Oh my gosh, what is that, another octopus?
$10?
Best $10 of my life. You're my favorite. Please don't splash. Hello! Ah! That'd be a vibe. It's a vibe. You wanna vibe. Oh my god. Who's, is that yours?
Yeah.
So, I'm not sure how I felt about that aquarium. The seals were my favorite part, but everything else kind of sucked.
I remember there used to be like something really cool there that was like you could touch, but it was like,
Didn't you say there used to be,
I thought
the octopus was interesting.
or whatever they're called. Stingrays, but I
Lovely day on the beach. It's not that nice out, but it's kind of cool. Got some beach volleyball going.
actual beach volleyball. They're like so
Nothing behind her back.
So, how are we thinking about our beach trip so far, y'all?
You guys are having a great day. We gotta do it again.
I really want to find a puka shell necklace.
We'll do this
We're looking,
July 3rd.
We're on a mission.
But we'll go to Pacific City.
yeah, we're on a mission to find puka shells.
We need to film like
We've gone into every single store. Every
At both
single
beaches.
store at both beaches. They don't have puka shells, like the ones that we want, like the cute ones, you know?
They're all really ugly, or
They're
they
all
like
really
add
ugly,
neon, like
or really long, or they have like weird beads on them. He's also blind, so he doesn't really know that we're walking by. He's blind? Yes, he has a
you
stick.
said that.
Well, yeah, you're probably right. But anyway, it's a pretty day at the beach.
That's so cool.
That's so cool. It's a pretty day at the beach, y'all. We're at Seaside Beach. We were at Cannon Beach, and then we came to Seaside to look for more puka shells.
And they're nowhere.
And we still can't find them.
so
we should ask someone.
hopeful.
Oh,
we
that'd
should
be
ask.
smart.
I said that like 20 minutes, 30 minutes
we'll
ago.
go use the bathroom and then we'll go in and find someone and we can ask them.
Okay. That's all I have to say.
Warm.
Sun's a little peeking out a little bit. It's gonna
might,
go
like,
back under the clouds though.
Go to my car and get a t-shirt.
Let's go back to your cart. Let's get a t-shirt
Yeah.
and let's get a blanket or a towel or whatever.
I have like a mat.
I kind of want like a water lemon.
Perfect. We'll catch you on the flip side. I'm sorry I said that. I'm really sorry about that one.
So we are on the beach. It's a little misty.
I think it's about to rain.
We think it's about to rain. We just bought some, we got some bracelets. The goal is to turn the bracelets into a necklace.
We couldn't find any puka shell.
We couldn't find what we really wanted, so we're gonna try it. Let's see it. Show me your necklace. Oh, super cute. We did them ourselves. We like strung it, so we took it off of the necklace and then we used strings.
Because we couldn't find the exact necklace we wanted, so we bought.
So we had to make it ourselves.
Guys, they're actually really cute.
Also, DIY jeans. Love it.
I'm at a thrift store. and I'm
DIY
kind of
jeans
lost.
stepped through them.
So here's my necklace. It's a little bit looser than I originally wanted. We'll see. Maybe I'll fix it down the road, but it's pretty cute. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Babs.